Java interview question, episode 17. How do generics work in Java and what is type erasure? In Java, generics are a compile time feature. They ensure type safety by checking the types at compile time. But at runtime, they don't exist in the same way you wrote them. How it works? First, the compiler enforces the correct type usage. Then, at compile time, type parameters like the generic with the T type are replaced with the bounds or object if unbounded. The bound is the real type, for example, string, long, date, local date, etc. And finally, all extra type information is removed. This is called type erasure. We erase the type after that. Type erasure, the process where the compiler removes all generic type information before runtime. So, as an example, if you have list string as type as generic list equal new array list, at runtime it is just a list. There is no more the string generic bound to the type. The string is gone. Why? This is because of backward compatibility with older Java version, the ones before Java 5, and it keeps the JVM simpler, no separate class for each type. So to conclude, generics give you compile time safety, but no runtime type checks for parameterized types. Thank you and see you in the next video.